can see our dough is just about perfect. It should come together nicely, and it shouldn't look too dry. It should be moist like a baby's bottom. And so we're going to turn this off. You'll see a little bit of striation there, a little texture. That's a good thing. And so what we're going to do next is I am going to take my bowl out, and I am going to get a little olive oil, and the olive oil will help my bread from sticking. And I'm just going to take and roll that around a bit, and then I am going to get some cellophane or plastic wrap, whatever you want to call it. And I am going to cover my bread. And I'm just kind of loosely, and then I'm going to put a cheesecloth over it, a nice clean cheesecloth, and we're going to pop it into the oven. And something I forgot to do, I normally take my top rack and put it in the lower part of my oven so that this will have ample room to rise. I've actually had episodes where it has risen so high that it hits the top of the light there. So in you go. I'm going to put the timer on, and I normally put it on for 90 minutes. And of course my oven doesn't recognize my 90 minutes, so it puts it on for 1 hour and 30 minutes. There we go.